Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Traverse LTZ all-wheel drive. GM certified, 36,000 miles. It's a one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, tungsten metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, along with 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, DVD player with wireless headphones and remote, rear audio as well as climate control. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, easy to read gauges with driver information system. This Traverse has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio app. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with a large glove box with all the inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.